students interact in smaller groups with the dignitaries and raise questions with regard to the burning social issues.
Can the judiciary enforce an international law to create a fear among countries sponsoring, harboring or funding terrorism?
States have come together to establish new treaties, new agreements among themselves, constituting part of international law. And these treaties deal with terrorism, money trafficking, money laundering, others as well. And all of them have been adopted by these states and endorsed and ratified even within their own constitutional jurisdiction, and therefore have become part of their internal law.
The 20th International Conference of Chief Justices of the World coincided with the CMS's Diamond Jubilee celebrations, which was truly grand. Undeterred by pandemic, the 21st International Conference of Chief Justices of the World was held online.
सिटी मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल की पहल पर भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 51 की भावना के अनुरूप सारे विश्व में एकता, शांति और मानवता की भलाई करने तथा पूरी दुनिया के बच्चों के भविष्य को सुरक्षित बनाने का जो बीड़ा आप सभी न्यायविदों ने उठाया है, इसकी जितनी भी प्रशंसा की जाए वह कम है.
Many eminent guests have graced CMS events, thereby giving opportunities to CMS students to hear them in person. Here are some important people who have inaugurated City Montessori School organized International Conference of Chief Justices of the World. Honorable Amina Ghurib Fakim, President of Republic of Mauritius. Shri Rajnath Singh, Union Defence Minister. Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, Union Finance Minister. Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad, Union Law Minister. Shri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Union Minister for Minority Affairs. General Dr. V.K. Singh, Union Minister of State. Shri J.P. Nadda, President Bharatiya Janata Party. Other important people include Shri Prakash Javadekar, Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal, Union Education Minister, who also inaugurated CMS Teachers' Day, Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar, Union Minister of State, Shri Manoj Sinha, Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Sudhanshu Trivedi, Member of Parliament from Rajya Sabha and former student of City Montessori School, Honorable Shrimati Anandi Ben Patel, Governor of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Hriday Narayan Dikshit, Speaker, Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly, Shri Yogi Adityanath Ji, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Keshav Prasad Maurya, Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Dr. Dinesh Sharma, Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, former Mayor of Lucknow and former student of City Montessori School, has visited his alma mater as chief guest in numerous occasions. To further set clear standards of performance on all fronts, academic and non-academic, some more international events include International Schools Cricket Premier League,
CMS, ISCPL, CMS, ISCPL की है धूम.
These events not only help children broaden their horizon, it develops cross-cultural understanding and tolerance for diversity, fostering lifelong friendship. CMS Holistic Child Development Approach involves human education in which children celebrate various United Nations days, take out marches to build awareness for Cracker-Free Diwali, celebrate Valentine's Day as Family Unity Day, Save Gomti Drive, CMS floats and marches at the Republic Day Parade, bringing out the essence of unity of humankind. CMS students took the lead in 2015 when the first United Nations Yoga Day was celebrated. They performed yoga at the United Nations headquarters in New York. Unique international events to prepare students for a life of service include Confluence the World Peace Festival.
After accelerated climate change, which then leads to famine and to mass migrations. And surely you will agree with me that this is not the future that we want for our children. This is not what we want the inheritance of this generation.
International Convention on Students' Quality Control Circles.
Watching the teams present their fabulous solutions to these projects is just magic.
To be honest, we are very impressed not only by the scale of this event, but also by the potential of the students and the hospitality we felt from our Indian colleagues and friends here.
It's something special to be here in City Montessori School for me and for all of us, because here is the paradise of total quality management in education. Here is the platform where we learned everything. We heard, we saw, we felt the quality in our hearts, in our brains, and everywhere.
CMS combines spiritual and human education with academic preparation, and the result is outstanding. CMS has raised the bar in education is evident from this data sample of CMS students' successes in the past 5 years. Insofar, sum of rupees 20.7 crores have been awarded to students through government scholarships, like 405 students have won the Inspire Scholarship. 44 students have won the Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana Scholarship, while 164 students have clinched the National Talent Search Examination Scholarship. 15 students have made it to the PCS, while 13 have made it to the PCS Judiciary. As students aspire to study abroad, every year a number of students are selected to the best universities in the world, while many winning hefty scholarship. In last 5 years, 351 students have been selected on an average scholarship of 45.2 lakh rupees. This year too, close to 50 students are the successful ones. 81 students have cleared the CLAT to get admission in the National Law Universities of India. 333 students have cracked the medical entrance test NEET. 371 students have cracked the IIT JEE Advance. And in the Indian Administrative Services, in the last 10 years, 55 CMS students have made it to this prestigious position. Online admissions in CMS are open at www.cmseducation.org. Syllabus and book list of 2021-22 for Montessori, nursery to class 12 are also available on school's website www.cmseducation.org.